Hey, what's up, y'all? Doing a little collab with two cousins cooking and cooking with neighbors. They're my girls, y'all. They're my girls. I love them people. This collab is all about crock pot meals, and we gonna make some good ones, y'all. And they already have. So check them out, y'all. But anyway, let's get it. So yeah, y'all. Crocktober. We starting off with some stock. Now I would use beef stock, but today I didn't have any, so I used some pork stock. And then I added my carrots and my onions. And then my potatoes. Now once I get all that in, I'm gonna get my beef in. Now this is 2 cuts of beef. We have a little bit of tenderloin, and we have some regular chuck. And after we get all that in, we're gonna start coming in with our other veg, which is going to be broccoli and cauliflower. And then we're coming in with that Lee and Parents, yeah, that Worcestershire. Then we're gonna go ahead and rain on them, hit them with that salt and some pepper. And hey, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Then we gonna hit them with a little oregano on the end. And we gonna go and get that lid on. Now I don't have a crock pot, me myself, but I do have a pressure cooker. And it has a crock pot setting on here. Slow cooker. You hit the slow cooker. And once you hit the slow cooker, it's gonna pop up with 4 hours. Now that's perfect for what we cooking today. And then after that, all you gotta do is simply hit start. Now after 4 hours have passed, hey, it's time to eat, y'all. It's time to eat. Oh yeah, look at that goodness, y'all. That's good beef stew right there, y'all. That's good beef stew. Now, you can use any variation of beef that you want. You can use some top round. I chose the meat because, personally, that's what I like. So let's go ahead and dish this up, y'all. Now, you can add different vegetables. You can do peas, whatever you like. Make it tasty though, y'all. Make it tasty. So once we get all plated up, I have me a piece of bread that I have toasted with some butter and some oregano on it. And hey, this was good, y'all. Yeah, I use that bread to sop up that beautiful broth. And hey, you already know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.